The apprenticeship program definitely opened up a lot of doors for me. It showed me things that I had no idea about. Before that, I didn't even know what a proto-track was.
I wanted to gain more knowledge, so an apprentice program sounded really good. And then they said, well, you know, if you'd be interested in it, we get your job here for a little less money, but working under somebody. So I said, yeah, definitely.
At first, I figured an older gentleman probably wouldn't want to teach someone that knew nothing. He just took it on, and it's been quite amazing. And now I can navigate my way through most of it. Still a lot I have to learn. This apprenticeship, this program, everything about it has really sent me to the next level.
My job had enrolled me into the program, which I found it better to be an opportunity to further my job and turn it into a career instead of just staying in one single spot. I believe in just keep going, you know, there's no limit to where you can go. Why wouldn't I take advantage of, you know, being enrolled in a program that can further my life and better my future? It actually turned my job more so into a career because now I'm a certified machinist.
Can't make anything without being able to make the pieces that make the things. I appreciated everything they taught me.
It's amazing. I love what I do.
I can learn a lot more than what I think. Never doubt yourself.
It's always something interesting when I come to work. I never know what I'm going to be doing